welcome to Hope Not Out. The National Bank of Pakistan, Multan region, proudly hosted its annual business conference, 2025, on Tuesday, May 20, at the elegant Ramada Hotel, Multan, organized by the RBG Group. The event brought together senior executives, the regional head, and high-performing branch managers and officers to recognize their efforts and lay out strategic directions for the upcoming year. 2025, the evening began on a spiritual note with a recitation from the Holy Quran by Nasir Abbas, followed by a soulful Naat-e-Rasool, Show W, presented by Madam Serish Taj. In his keynote message, Regional Head Mr. Wasim Rashid encouraged esteem, unity, and shared the collective vision of regaining our glory in 2025. His address set the tone for an evening filled with gratitude, inspiration, and forward planning. The event's chief guest, General Manager Mr. Rana Asif Wakil, delivered a powerful speech applauding the resilience and exceptional dedication of the Multan region's officers, executives, and branch managers, especially those who achieved the prestigious A grading in 2024. He further motivated all present to strive for even greater accomplishments in the year ahead. A highlight of the evening was the energetic and heartwarming coordination by Madame Nadia Raza, who served as the event's stage secretary and host. Her witty remarks, humorous exchanges, and poetic expressions, particularly with Mr. Rana Asif Wakiland, Madam Mavish Javed Khan, won the hearts of everyone in the hall. Notable attendees included regional executives such as Tariq Rashid Operation, Sale, Abbas, Haji Ahmed, Adil Amjad, Sechman, Shah, Arshad Majid Suleri, and several other prominent figures from the banking community. The evening concluded with a delightful cake-cutting ceremony, followed by a lavish dinner, marking not just a celebration of success, but also a moment of reflection and renewed determination for the year ahead. That's all from the business front for now. For more inspiring updates, keep watching Hope Not Out. This is your Hope Out channel. Kuda Hafiz signing off.